I played football. I started when I was 6, because my dad, really. He didn't have a boy, so he thought, oh, I'll chuck Ffion into football. I've always loved it. I watched it my whole life. I was interested in studying sport and exercise science because I've always wanted to go into sport. It'll help me decide what's best suited for me as a career. When I applied where to go, I was conflicted. I got 4 offers in total. I decided they weren't for me. I wanted to stay home. I think there's a lot more benefits than there is moving away, to be honest. When I came and looked at the facilities here, I was set on it, really. I went through clearing for USW. I was concerned because obviously I didn't accept the offers that I was given. Luckily I got in and I've had a great experience here for my first year. Clearing. It's just a different avenue, a different way to apply. If you feel like you didn't make the correct decisions when you applied to the first 5 universities, just don't panic. It's never too late and there's always a second option. You just gotta do what's best for you.